Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you copy and move catalogs and preview files if necessary. However, before moving or copying a catalog in Lightroom Classic CC, it is important to back up the file you intend to move or copy. To copy or move a catalog, first make note of the location of the folder containing the catalog and preview files. Then choose Edit, Catalog Settings from the menu bar. The Catalog Settings dialog box then appears on screen. In the Information section on the General tab, click the Show button. The catalog then appears within Windows Explorer. Once you see the catalog files appear in Windows Explorer, then return to Lightroom Classic CC and exit the program. Then return to the Windows Explorer window. It is best to then copy or move the entire folder containing the catalog to a new location so as to ensure you get all the necessary files. To copy a folder, right-click it and select Copy from the pop-up menu that appears. Then navigate to the new file location, right-click within the file location, and select the Paste command from the pop-up menu. To move the folder instead, right-click it and then select the Cut command from the pop-up menu. Then simply paste the file into its new location. After you have moved or copied the catalog, you can then double-click the LRCAT file within the folder in its new location to reopen the catalog within Lightroom Classic CC. It's worth mentioning that Lightroom Classic CC sometimes has problems locating photos and folders in a catalog that has been copied or moved. If this happens, a question mark icon appears by folder names within the Folders panel. You can right-click a folder with a question mark icon and select Find Missing Folder to attempt to restore folder links. In the grid view, an exclamation point icon appears over the thumbnail images of photos that cannot be found. We'll learn more about locating lost photos in the next lesson.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.